Every achievement starts with a simple idea and a decision to move forward. Success isn't luck. It's the result of careful planning and action. A plan is your map for the journey ahead, turning big goals into clear steps. The best plans are simple and easy to follow. Think of building a house. You start with a blueprint, breaking a huge project into small, manageable tasks. Your life goals work the same way. A plan is your blueprint for success. It tells you what to do first, what to do next, and how the pieces fit together. Planning is the foundation of progress. A strategy is what separates wishing from doing. Many dream, but few have a system to make dreams real. A strategy is your commitment to daily action. With a clear plan, you focus on what matters and build unstoppable momentum. Your journey begins the moment you decide to create a plan. It doesn't have to be perfect, just start. Adjust as you go, but take that first step. Write down the small actions you can take. Planning transforms your goal from a distant dream into a real possibility. Big goals can feel overwhelming, but the secret is to focus on one small step at a time. Each small action is like laying a brick. One by one, you build something great. Success is built through small, consistent efforts. Think about learning guitar. You start with one chord, then another, and soon you can play a song. Each practice is a small step, and over time they add up to real skill. This principle applies to everything. Small, daily improvements drive massive change. Smart planning means breaking big goals into tiny, manageable actions. If you want to save money, don't just say save more. Commit to saving $5 a day. Achievable actions build confidence and momentum. Step-by-step growth is available to everyone. You don't need huge willpower, just a little effort, repeated daily. If you miss a day, start again tomorrow. Focus on the process, not perfection. Consistency is more important than being perfect. Track your progress to stay motivated. Celebrate small wins. They add up. By making small improvements each day, you achieve remarkable things. The journey is about steady progress, not instant results. One step at a time, you move closer to your goal. Your life is yours to build. No one else can walk your path. Start with a clear vision. What does success look like for you? Your vision is your North Star. Lay the foundation with key habits. Make them so easy you can't say no. Consistency is the most important part of building your future. Every day you face choices. Choose actions that align with your vision. Small positive choices are the building blocks of your path. Over time, these choices create a solid route to your goal. Your path is unique. Don't compare it to others. Be patient and celebrate small wins. Each step, no matter how small, is progress. You are the architect of your life. Design your journey with intention and build the path to your success. Perfection is the enemy of progress. Waiting for the perfect time or plan keeps you stuck. The truth, you'll never be perfect, and that's okay. Focus on moving forward, even if it's just a tiny bit. Did you do the small thing you promised today? That's a win. If your goal is to write a book, write one sentence. Progress counts. This approach removes pressure and makes it easier to show up. Consistency beats perfection every time. Track your progress. Mark each day you complete your habit. Visual evidence of your effort is motivating. Even on tough days, you're still moving forward. A chain of successful days builds momentum. Turn your journey into a game you can win daily. Embrace every step forward as a victory. Don't let setbacks stop you. Just get back up. Progress isn't a straight line, but persistence wins. The most successful people aren't perfect. They never quit. Start today, focus on progress, and celebrate each win. Let go of perfection and keep moving forward. Building a better future means finding new financial opportunities. Traditional paths can feel slow, but technology is opening new doors. Stay open-minded and proactive. Look for new tools and trends. You don't need to be an expert to start. Just be curious and take the first step. Like planting a seed, small, consistent actions can grow into something big. Digital currencies are one such opportunity. Some are designed for everyone. Look for projects focused on community and long-term growth, not just quick profits. Pi Network is an entry point into digital currency for everyday people. It's easy to use, requires no technical knowledge, and has low risk. By exploring tools like Pi, you're taking a smart step toward the future of finance. Position yourself to benefit from new trends. Start small, learn as you go, and build your financial path one step at a time. The future belongs to those who act on new opportunities. Pi Network is a new digital currency designed for everyone. Most cryptocurrencies are hard to access. Pi changes that. You can earn Pi directly from your phone, making it simple and fair. Anyone with a smartphone can join, no technical skills needed. Earning Pi is easy. Open the app and tap a button once a day. This daily habit fits perfectly with step-by-step growth. Pi's vision is to become the world's most widely used cryptocurrency. The project is focused on building a large, active community. The more people join, the stronger the network becomes. Right now, Pi is being distributed to community members. The goal is for Pi to be used for real-world transactions in the future. Getting started is simple. Download the app, get an invite, and check in daily. Pi offers a risk-free way to explore digital currency and join a new economy. Pi Network is a powerful tool for personal and financial growth. The daily action, tapping a button, builds the habit of consistency. Practicing small, regular actions leads to long-term success. Pi encourages a forward-thinking mindset. Invest time now for future value. This teaches patience and trust in the growth process. Pi connects you to a global community, making your journey shared and motivating. Being part of a team helps you stick with your habits. The community provides support and encouragement. Pi lowers the barrier to financial growth. No cost, no risk. You gain knowledge, discipline, and a future-focused perspective. Participating in Pi is more than earning currency. It's building real assets for life. These habits and mindsets unlock success in all areas. Start small, stay consistent, and grow with the community. Success is a marathon, not a sprint. Staying focused is key. Remind yourself daily of your why. Your vision keeps you motivated. Use simple systems, pre-decided actions you follow every day. Systems remove decision fatigue and make consistency easier. Design your environment to support your goals. Make good habits obvious. Place reminders where you'll see them, like your Pi app on your home screen. Make bad habits harder to access. Your surroundings shape your behavior. Set yourself up for success. Be kind to yourself. Mistakes happen. If you lose focus, just get back on track the next day. The goal isn't perfection, but resilience. Guide your attention back to your path again and again. Persistence, patience, and self-compassion keep you moving forward. Your better future starts now, with one small, smart move. Success isn't for the lucky, it's for those who start with a simple plan and act. Choose one easy habit that moves you forward. This is your starting point, how you build momentum. Focus on the process, not the finish line. Did you take your small step today? That's a win. Celebrate, then do it again tomorrow. Powerful habits are built one day at a time. Daily actions turn big goals into manageable tasks. Trust the path will unfold as you keep moving. Stay curious and open to new opportunities like Pi Network. Simple daily habits are statements of commitment to your growth. Use tools like Pi to build a better life. The future is something you build, not something that happens to you. Start today with one smart move. Every small step matters. Each brings you closer to your goal. Take that first step now. The path to success is waiting.